Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to level up Candy Crush Saga. So let me tell you, Candy Crush Saga does not allow you to skip the level directly, but I'll mention few of the methods that you can follow to skip or boost your level on Candy Crush Saga. So first method is you can use pusher and extra moves to help you clear difficult levels. Extra moves can be obtained through daily rewards and events or by purchasing them. Now second method you can use is advantages of the in-game method using specific powers boosters. Methods is by anti-crossing provides a special event that can provide extra booster or limited life for limited time. So participating in these events can be helpful to skip levels. Now the first method is to utilize online help and guide. You can go through these online guide and videos that provides tips to walk through for specific levels, which will help you clear out the difficult level in Candy Crush Saga. And lastly, I would like to mention that practice makes a person perfect. So keep practicing and ace the game quickly. So this is how you can skip levels in Candy Crush Saga. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching this video.